Rovaniemi, the hometown of Santa Claus, features the fantastic aroma. Located in the Arctic Circle, it is well known for the long winters and silver fantasy, attracting countless tourists every year. However, the extreme cold in icy and snowy roads also posed many challenges for tourists to travel. A new energy coach, Yutong T15E, departed from Helsinki, the capital of Finland, and embarked on the icy and snowy journey of 1,000 kilometers to Rovaniemi, Santa Claus village in the Arctic Circle this winter. As a hunting coach, Yutong T15E not only overcame the challenge brought by the extreme cold with its outstanding stability and reliability, but also injected the power of green technology into winter transportation in Finland. This time, Yutong T15E is more than just a coach, but also a special messenger for the Christmas day. Laden with precious Christmas gifts from Helsinki, it sent warmth and care from other cities to the children in Rovaniemi, passing through the snow-clad plains and arriving at Santa Claus village. The T15E brings the joy and love of the holiday to every corner. Yutong T15E not only carries the blessings of Christmas, but also showcases the extraordinary strength of a new energy technology in the extreme cold. It perfectly combines Finnish culture with a green future, adding to the fairy tale of Rovaniemi. Yutong T15E has won unanimous praise from local residents and tourists for its excellent adaptability, safety and long range. Especially in the extreme cold, T15E ensures travel safety with its stability. From Helsinki to Rovaniemi, this journey of 1,000 kilometers is more than a battle between technology and extreme cold, but also spreading love and sincerity by Yutong. Think eco, move green. Every time we set off, we get closer towards a brighter future. From the extreme cold to the winter wonderland, Yutong T15E delivers warmth and hope in an environment-friendly, safe and reliable way, and injects more vitality into green mobility in Finland.